Hello, here is how you can create awesome art with ChatGPT, or if you want to create any image, we can use ChatGPT for that. So first of all, I want to create an image for a spaceship uh, in a pond. So I'm going to say first, can you give me a prompt for a spaceship in a pond with galaxies? Elaborate on this prompt for image generation. So it's important that we give the prompt like this. If you have a very short prompt, so we can make it as detailed as possible once we use it for image generation. So I'm going to just send this. Okay, okay. Now we're going to copy this and put this to say use this prompt to create an image for me. So now ChatGPT has started to create an image for us, and let's see how long it's going to take. So you really want to really develop a really good prompt, and you can even ask ChatGPT to really elaborate on your prompt before creating an image. Yeah, so I think here is our image. It's like in its initial stages, and I will get back to you guys once we have created, once ChatGPT has created this image. Okay, guys, we have our picture, and it's absolutely fabulous. I love it. Um, like see the detail. It's beautiful. So with this, you can see how easy it is to generate art with ChatGPT in these days, and you can use this for for various stuff to make posters for your space events or even just a poster for your kids' room. So this is fabulous. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe.